Welcome back to our series, The Art of Positive Living Spaces. If you're looking to bring more positive energy into your home, you've come to the right place. In our last video, we covered the power of decluttering and the salt cleanse to clear out negative vibes. If you haven't watched it yet, check out part 1. The link is right here. This will give you the full foundation for creating a positive space. Today, we're diving into 2 new Feng Shui techniques that can help elevate the energy in your space. Use mirrors to reflect positive energy. Our first technique is using mirrors to reflect positive energy. Mirrors are powerful tools in Feng Shui. They're known as energy enhancers because they can bounce light and energy around a space, making it feel brighter and more open. When placing mirrors, make sure they reflect something beautiful or a source of natural light. This way, the mirror spreads that positive energy throughout the room. For example, if you have a window with a great view, position a mirror to reflect that view, bringing a sense of the outdoors inside. But remember, avoid placing mirrors directly across from doors, as they can push energy back out. And try not to place mirrors facing the bed, as it can disrupt restful energy while you sleep. With thoughtful placement, mirrors can make a room feel more expansive and inviting. Balance elements with Feng Shui crystals. Our second technique today is using Feng Shui crystals to balance the energy in your home. Different crystals are believed to attract and enhance specific types of energy. They're not only beautiful additions to any space, but they also carry unique properties that influence the atmosphere. Let's look at a few examples. Rose quartz is commonly associated with love and harmony, making it a great choice for the bedroom or any space where you want to encourage positive relationships. Citrine, on the other hand, is known for attracting positivity and creativity, which makes it perfect for an office or workspace. When placing your crystals, think about where you want their energy to flow. Place amethyst in living areas or near your meditation space to invite calm and tranquility. Keep in mind that Feng Shui is about intentional placement, so choose areas that resonate with the energy you want to encourage. These 2 Feng Shui techniques, mirrors to reflect positive energy and crystals to balance the room's vibe, can make a noticeable difference in how your space feels. Try experimenting with these placements and see how the energy shifts in your home. And remember, we're just getting started. If you enjoyed these tips, make sure to subscribe so you won't miss the next part of our series, where we'll cover even more ways to create a positive living space. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.